Hello, hello. Welcome Shading Way. I'm Marilyn, and today we have a ThredUp 5-pound DIY box. Hope everybody's doing great. As I said, my name's Marilyn, my husband's name's Barry, and we are resellers. We sell on eBay, Etsy, Poshmark, and YouTube. This is the last old box I believe I have. There's a couple of boxes over in the corner, but I think they're all 15 piece, I believe. This one is from Phoenix, Arizona, and it has been over there for quite some time in that corner. So, hope everybody's doing great. The rings I have on today are a labradorite in a sterling silver setting, and my pearl and topaz sterling silver rings. And I have I did redo my nails, and it is an orange, and it's called Susie Needs a Locksmith, and lock is L-O-C-H. And it's kind of fall-y, so I think this is a really good color that's going to last us through Thanksgiving. This one says April 27th, 2022. Okay, so we've had this one a while. It cost us, I believe, $44. Let's see. Yes, $44. Free shipping. And there it is. No bubbles or anything. And there's first look. So let me pull this out. I was going to try to pull it out without smacking the camera, but I seem to not be able to do that. Let's get rid of this tissue. Ta-da! Okay, let's give you first look, see what you think. I hope it's good, because it's my last box. And I haven't seen one come up in a while, so let's open this up. Hold on. If you see something that you're interested in, all you need to do is send us an email to shadymy@gmail.com. All our information is below this video in the description area on how to order. All orders must go through our email, because sometimes the comments don't come through, and I try to do them first come first serve, and as it's not fair, they do hold some of the video comments back. I always try to only do emails. You know, we are getting into that holiday shipping. The post office has already gone up in their prices, so shipping under a pound in the United States is $6. Anything over a pound or outside the United States is based on where you're located and how much it weighs. Again, if you see something interests you, just send us a screenshot in a description. If you haven't purchased from us before, be sure to send us your mailing address. All right, let's just pull these out and see what we have. I will push earrings over to the side, and hopefully, fingers crossed, that it's not too tangled. All right, this looks like made in Korea, New York. Okay. So this, I guess, goes like so, because the tassel is on the back part. Okay, so it's just a twisted silver tone rope with a chain and a tassel. So I'm going to give you what that part is, and then, you know, this could even be a belt. I'm not sure. Let me find my measuring tape. So this part is 32 inches. And then this part is an additional 7 inches. And then the tassel, silver tassel, is an additional 3.5 inches. So on this, I'm gonna say, let's do just $6. Okay, this is interesting. This says 2015 AMC, Fight the Dead, Fear the Living. So the Walking Dead or the spinoff on that one, and I just can't remember. Probably the spinoff. Anyway, it is a chain, and then that little saying, fight the dead, fear the living, and then a like bow and arrow. So on this one, I'm just gonna say, let's do $6. Now this one is a little butterfly with red and black rhinestones, no signature on the back, and then it has red and black, and they're plastic or acrylic with a lobster clasp. It's a small little chain, short rather. It is 16 inches with the butterfly. Is that a missing one? No, I guess that's just a white one in the center. Let me look closer. No, it's just a clear one in the center. Okay, so the butterfly is 1.5 inches by 1 inch. And on this one, I'm just going to say $3 because it's super lightweight. Here we just have some Mardi Gras beads that are white. So $1. Some more Mardi Gras beads. Quite a bit of Mardi Gras beads. It's always what you fear as you open up one of these boxes, and it's going to be all Mardi Gras beads. So there's another one. They would be good for a little girl playing like bride or dress up. So there's 3 of these. So I'm going to say, oh, it looks like another one. Possibly another one. So there's 3, 4. Okay, I don't see any more right off. So let's see, let's do this over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 white Mardi Gras beads. So I'm just going to say for the 9 bonus hair, I'm going to say $2 for all 9. I guess this was somebody's way of being sure things didn't get tangled. Okay, so it's a lobster clasp, gunmetal color, and these are glass, red, faceted, metallic, red, metallic, beading, and on a, as I said, a gunmetal chain. And the length of this is 28 inches, with the glass being an inch and a half, a little over an inch and a half. So on this one, I'm gonna say let's do $7. Okay, this is magnetic. Let's see, let's try it again. They do have a bit of grit, so I'm going to say they're not high quality pearls, but they are pearls. So for the bracelet and the necklace, I'm going to say let's just do $7 for the 2 pieces. This, let's see what's going on here, has a tag that says, goodness, another bonus hair. This is Cookie Lee, and let's get it untangled. Okay, so it is a multi-strand necklace. Like so. Like so. But you need this. Just got to figure it out. Oh, I think it goes like this. Like so. Okay. So it is Cookie Lee, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, and then you can make this extension as long as you want, and it is faux pearls, and the shortest one is 22 inches. So on the Cookie Lee, let's do $10. Nice piece. Here's another one of those that they don't want to get tangled. This one has no name that I see, but it's in really good condition. It's nice green, faceted little statement piece, but it's small and looks like it should go about right there. It is 16 inches with a 3-inch or 2 3/4 inch extension. So on the gold tone and green faceted, I'm going to say let's do $6. Here we have a little toggle clasp, shell and glass beaded necklace. Bracelet. I'll get it right. Doesn't look to be magnetic. So it is 7 inches, and I love the fall colors, the green, the orange, nice, and brown. So let's just do $5. This is seed bead, and it's a cuff. However, it's losing some of its color. So I'm just going to say $1. Stuck to the tape. This one is Coldwater Creek and lobster clasp. This is pretty. This is in good condition. It looks like barrel big beads in a salmon color, and then a lighter color that is see-through with gold spacers. And from what I hear, Coldwater Creek is now available online in catalog. It is 32 inches with a 2-inch extension. So on the Coldwater Creek, I'm going to do, needs to be wiped down. I'm going to say let's do $10. Lots of little pieces over here. Okay, here we have a toggle clasp, beaded necklace with a glass bead in the center. It is 16 inches. And I'm going to say it is not sterling. So I'm just going to say, let's do $2 on the little glass necklace. Now this says Victoria Emerson. Those are pretty beads. Let's see if they are anything. The pink ones are jadeite, and the yellow ones must be just glass, faceted glass. Let's see how long it is. There is 1, 2, 3 adjustments in it, and the total is 32 inches. So it's like so. And if you do it that many times, it looks like it's going to be about 7 3/4 to 8 inches. So let's do $10 on the jadeite wrap bracelet. This one is just a little adjustable bracelet. It's braided with blue and gray. So that's just $1. This has no name. But it looks like so. It's 4 strands. And this one needs to be tied. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strands on 3 openings. So on this one, I'm just going to say, let's do $3. Another box with a safety pin that is like, I think 3 in a row. It literally is doing nothing, just, I guess, in case somebody needs a safety pin. Okay. It's like little acrylic beads, I think they are. Yeah, a little acrylic and silver on a chain with an extension. Right now it is set to 7.5, and it has this long extension of 2 inches. So I'm going to say, let's just do $2. Look at this. This is a beauty. Okay, so, and it's super heavy. Now to figure out what it's made out of. I am not sure, but it is beautiful. A green, it is, has a coating over it, has gold flowers. It is about 7 3/4 of an inch. There is where it's put together. So I'm just going to say $6, but this is gorgeous. This is like metallic gold color, and it just twisted beads. It is 22 inches, so I'm going to say just $4. This is pretty. This is wood, I believe, and brass. Yes, brass with a shepherd's hook, painted blue, gold tone. It has no name, very tribal. It is, let's open it up because it's has these tubes. So the shortest one is 16 inches. Let's see. The shortest one is 17 inches. But with this little dip down gives you a little bit of extra. So on this one, very, very cool. I'm going to say, let's do, need to trim this a little. Let's do $7. I love that blue. Don't want to pull anything because we don't want to break anything. So let's put that over there. These two match. So those are pretty. I don't see an, oh, they're J. Crew, they're signed. No, nothing missing. They have a little bit of scratch on it. It is 1 1/4 inch by 1 inch. If you don't count the wire, it is 3/4 of an inch. And on these, I'm going to say, let's do $4. There you go. And this is Express. It is a bracelet with chains, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 chains. And that's what it looks like. It's actually very pretty. And it has an extension. The shortest is 7 1/4 with the longest at 8 1/2. So on this one, I'm going to say, let's do $8. This one, let's see, I don't see a name yet. I don't see any missing rhinestones. It has this pink ribbon, and then these faux pearls, and then rhinestone balls. Right now with the ribbon, it is set at 24 inches. So let's just do $5. That's cute. Okay, so this is tied together, and it's like so. Let's untangle this. Okay, so these are acrylic because I can see lines in them. Okay, and then you have, it's open. You have these at the bottom, and then these metal pieces, and then just all set on a waxed string. The metal pieces are brass. Let me give you a measurement. It is 48 inches, so it's interesting. You could make it a belt, you could make it a necklace, you could even make it a wrap bracelet. So on this one, I'm going to say just $7. All right, I think this is a J. Crew. It has everything looking like a J. Crew. Okay. Needs to be cleaned. It's a little dirty, but it's pretty fabulous. The chain is really discolored though, unfortunately. But if somebody could clean this up or dip it or even paint it would be nice. No missing rhinestones. Doesn't look like any of the acrylic pieces are missing. That's the back. And there is the J. Crew. So on this one, I'm just going to say $5, but that is very, very pretty. These are pretty. They look like J. Crew, but I don't see a signature. Are those pretty? They are green. No missing rhinestones. Those are nice. Set in gold tone. This one. Let's see. Counting the wire, it is 2 1/4 inch by 1 1/8 inch. Without the wire, it is 1 1/2 inches. So I'm going to say on these, let's just do $5. All right, I'll get this tangle out later. Trying to only do the ones without tangles so we can move through this quickly. All right, let's open this. There we go. All right, it has the, this is a Madewell, and looks like it needs to be wiped down. It is really dirty. Okay, that is an earring in there. There we go. It's a wing. All right. So this needs to be wiped down, but it's actually pretty nice. It is all acrylic. It is asymmetrical. I think that's the one that means that it's not symmetrical. As I said, it is a life preserver. It is $16 inches with a 3-inch extension. And on this one, I'm going to say, let's do $6. Okay, this has no name. All of these pieces look like they need to be wiped down, but that's pretty cool. It's white flowers. Let's see about the rhinestones. I don't see any missing rhinestones. That's pretty cool. These are wood and shellacked. Is that a word now? That's used. And it is $16 inches. But I think that's pretty fabulous. Just needs to be cleaned. It's acrylic with rhinestones and these 2 beads. So I'm going to say let's just do $6. Discolored spring ring with these 2 hearts with seed beads. The hearts are not magnetic. So let's give you a length on this. It is 18 inches, so I'm just gonna say, let's do $3. Here we have a cute bracelet. I don't see any name, but isn't that cute with the mesh? That is cute, and it has an extension. It is magnetic. I love mesh chain. I like this knot in the center. That is very, very cool. So it is 7.5 inches, and then it has a 3-inch extension on it. So this will fit anybody. And it could also be a really cute anklet. So on this one, I'm gonna say $8. That's nice. Then we have this one. This is really well made. Super heavy. I'm gonna think that it goes like so. Yeah, I don't see a name right off. I'm gonna put this over to the side to be tested. These, another, I'm going to put this over to the side to be tested at the end. This is unusual. All right, let's get it untwisted. So this goes like, this is interesting. This is another Madewell. The tag is a little discolored, but check this out. Is this supposed to go like right here? Let's see how long this is. That is really cool. So it could be like so, yeah. So another hair, this like bag of hair, lobster clasp that's very unique. And then you've got these little almost sequins, and they're pink. You don't see the color until you separate them, and white, pink, and white. Really interesting spacer beads. And then you've got these faceted beads here. It is 19 inches. So that's unique and really cool. I like unique. So on this one, I'm going to say $10. Here we have a pair of earrings that match. So let's go ahead and do these. These are acrylic, I think. And they're earrings. Those are cool. I love this color. And they're roses. So I'm just going to say, let's do $6 for the blue rose studs. Those are nice. All right, this one, the ribbon needs to be wiped down. It's got some pulls in it, but the beads are cool with these big white beads. They are acrylic. It right now is set at 22 inches. So I'm just going to say $5. All right, so all of this is knotted up pretty badly. We have a clamper bracelet. I don't see a name. It is nice clamper. It is a little too big on me. So on this one, I'm going to say, but I like that gold and silver tone. So it needs to be about a 7.25 or smaller. So on this one, I'm going to say $5. Somebody liked their ribbon necklaces. This one is really nicely done. The ribbon just needs to be ironed, but in really good condition. And I'm gonna give you a price, and these are heavy. So it's really hard to tell. I'd almost say these were glass because they're so heavy, but with the coating, it's just so hard to tell sometimes. So it is 3 sizes. Let me... Yeah, so it goes like so. Small, medium, large with this black ribbon. So it can go any size you want. But probably about, I would do it probably at 24 inches. And then you still have about all this left. So on this one, I'm going to say, let's do $8 because that's cute. I love this pink. It's a very pretty color. All right, I'm going to do one last piece, and then we're going to save all this to tomorrow, and I'll knot everything. All right, this says multicolored glass crystal cascade stud earrings. One size, and they are new. So let's just show you, see if they'll come through. They're multicolored, and it says Eye Candy Los Angeles, eyecandy.com, Instagram, Eye Candy Los Angeles. Okay, these are not what I was expecting. So I looked up the eyecandyla.com, and I was surprised. These are sold at Nordstrom's and Saks Fifth Avenue. And Eye Candy Los Angeles, they seem to run from about $35 to about $75. So I'm dying to open it, but I don't want to open it. I can see that they're Rivoli, so that means that the point is up. So you can see that it has a peak in the center. I hate to open it because it's all sealed with the numbers and everything. So I'm going to leave it closed. But interesting, this company has mystery boxes also. And I thought that might be interesting. I might get one of their mystery boxes just to give us an idea of what they have. But this is cool. So it's new. It comes in a bag. They're sold at Nordstrom's and Saks Fifth Avenue. So I thought, let's just go ahead and do $9. So we went through actually a lot today. So there you go. We'll finish part 2 tomorrow. Let me know what you thought. Lots of bracelets, lots of necklaces in here. Hope you are having a wonderful day. Definitely give us a thumbs up. Subscribe below if you haven't already. Thank you for spending a little bit of your day with us, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.